What's up guys, this is Ash with The Case Theory. Today we're taking a look at premium screen protectors from Whitestone Dome. When it comes to screen protectors, many are concerned with finding the right one that works as well as the actual screen while providing additional scratch and crack protection. Basically, a less careful person is inclined to find a better quality screen protector to avoid compromising on the value of the phone. While getting the right one might be tricky enough, having to fix it on by yourself might easily be one of the most challenging tasks around. Seeking professional help sounds like a reasonable last resort, although it can get pretty uncomfortable seeing your phone in somebody else's hands. Recognizing this as a common problem, case manufacturers have since been coming up with fully equipped screen protector installation kits. One example of such case manufacturer would be the Whitestone Dome. Headquartered in Korea, this company specializes in quality full-screen adhesive tempered glass screen protector. While glass is known to be the best kind of screen protector for clarity and scratch preventions, it also cracks pretty easily. To counter this problem, Whitestone uses the low-cut technology, which is a liquid glass adhesive that evenly disperses over the entire curved screen to prevent shatters. They also developed the DIY type dome glass complete with installation videos for a fully guided installation experience. Today we have two different types of screen protectors with us, the Easy Glass as well as the premium version. Before we begin, we would like to thank Whitestone Dome for sending us these review units and making the video possible. Now with that being said, this is not a peer review, so they'll be seeing this video for the first time right alongside you. Also, stay tuned till the end of the video as we'll be doing a giveaway for these amazing screen protectors. Right here, we have the tempered glass premium screen protector kit, which comes in a relatively thick and heavy packaging. You could easily mistake it for a phone box if not for the bold label. There's a sticker at the top right corner showing the phone model and size for easy reference. Just underneath it, you can find a 4-full solution, which is basically what Whitestone wants these screen protectors to be known for. In case you're wondering how the local works, it is actually a curing process using UV light. This is shown right here at the bottom. If you're really into reading, you would totally enjoy the reverse side of the packaging. The top half shows more detailed features of the screen protector and also descriptions of the chemically strengthened glass after applying the adhesive. It is definitely nice to know that the glass is able to block out blue light that is responsible for affecting our sleep. The bottom half mainly shows a step-by-step installation guide that is complete with illustrations. During the checkout process, you can have an option between the single or the replacement kit. The single comes in a standard packaging with the necessary tools to install the screen protector. The replacement kit, on the other hand, comes without the UV curing machine. Even though the installation guide seems pretty detailed, we recommend watching the Whitestone Dome video guide a few times before proceeding with the installation, especially if it is your first time. Do not use the UV curing machine unless you're fully satisfied with your installation. Once cured with the UV light, the screen protector will stick quite firmly on the phone. Upon installation, the screen protector elevates the looks of the phone due to its sleek and slim appearance. It has a case-friendly design, which means you do not have to worry about the kind of case you'll be putting on your phone. There are no obvious appearance of bubbles due to the even feeling of the adhesive. The screen protector leaves the black notch exposed, probably to avoid contact with the adhesive. Other than that, the experience of using the phone with the protector on is very much impressive. Despite the additional layer, the screen is fully responsive and has great clarity. The single kit is currently going on for $34.99. This comes complete with the tools as well as the UV curing machine. If you think the premium installation kit seems a little overwhelming, you're not alone. The new Easy Glass by Whitestone seems more desirable to us because of how simple it looks from package to actual product. Unlike the previous version, this one comes in 2 pieces per pack. The package looks similar to the other one with all the features advertised on the front and full descriptions on the back. There are 2 key factors that make the Easy Glass screen protector different from the premium one. Firstly, it does not use the low-cut technology, which explains why the packaging is extremely slim and light. Secondly, it is extremely easy to install the Easy Glass on the phone. It took us just 2 minutes to get through the installation process and we were immediately satisfied by the outcome. The case covers the entire screen area except for the speaker. Just like the premium version, it has great clarity and good responsiveness as well. We've been trying it out for a few weeks now and switching cases is definitely something you do not have to worry about with this one. There's an introductory sale going on for the Easy Glass and it is going on for only $7.99 for the entire month of November. so be sure not to miss out on this amazing promotion. We find the screen protectors from Whitestone Dome to be really impressive mainly because of the slim appearance and the technology that comes with them. Our personal favorite would have to be the Easy Glass because of its overall simplicity and amazing features that is akin to the premium screen protector. For those who faithfully waited till this very moment, we have a special announcement for you. Whitestone Dome has generously sent us a couple of screen protectors to test out, and we would like to give them away with these simple steps. All you need to do is like, subscribe, and comment on which model you would want to have. 3 lucky winners will be selected at random. This giveaway ends on December 4th, and winners will be announced through our Instagram page, so be sure to follow us there as well. So that's it guys, we've come to the end of the review for the Whitestone Dome screen protectors. If you wish to get one for yourself, click on the affiliate link provided in the description box below. Meanwhile, subscribe to us for the latest updates on our videos and giveaways. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Till then, see you in the next one.